Good morning, students. Good morning. Welcome back to our session. I welcome you all to our session when we are learning our spoken English and written English. We are learning simple English for whatever the purpose. If it is a spoken part of the English or if it is written English, we are learning simple English that you could use in your daily lives when you are working in an office or a business establishment. We are supposed to, you are supposed to walk in English. That should be very, very simple. Let us learn that kind of English. In this session, we are practicing one verb and its related words. The verb is perform. Perform has three forms: perform, performed, performed. You all know that. We have one more form of the verb, that is performing. Perform, performed, performed, and performing. Perform present tense, performed past tense, performed past participle, and performing, this ing form of the verb, we say it as present participle. Okay, let us leave about all these names: perform, performed, performed, performing. You are performing well in your studies. What do you mean by that? It means that you are doing well in your studies. You are working well in your studies. Perform means doing well, and when you are attending your duty, then also we can say that you are performing a task. You are performing your duty. So perform has two usages as of now. One is attending a duty. The second one is doing well. Okay. Now we proceed further. See this first sentence. The students are performing well in their examinations. What do you mean by that? You are performing well in your office. You are working well in your office. Here perform means doing well. It is not simply attending the duty of you or duty of me or duty of somebody else. She is performing well in her office. It means she is doing well, she is working well in her office. The boys are performing well in their projects. It means that they are doing well in their project work. The students are performing well in their examinations. It means their performance is good, and they are doing well in their examinations. So here we have dealt with two meanings. And coming to another word, performer. Performer. Performer means Performer. Performer. Performer means something that is exhibiting well, or some person who is exhibiting his talent or his capacity or his skill well. That is the usage here. Second usage. Let us deal with the example. The player is the star performer in yesterday's game. Let us read it again. The player is the star performer in yesterday's game. It means he is the top performer. He performed very well. So we are talking about the talent of that player, the skill of that player, and his talent or the skill or his presentation, how he presented or exhibited his talent. We are talking about that. The player is the star performer. We can also use the player is the key performer in yesterday's game. He is the outstanding performer. He is the excellent performer. He is wonderful performer. He is an amazing performer. He is an extraordinary performer. So these are all the adjectives here I have listed out for your easy usage, easy ready reference. So whenever you get any doubt, please come back and refer this list. Okay, now we have discussed with perform in two meanings, and coming to the next extended word, that is performer. This is also one of the extension of perform. Here we are talking about a person who is very talented. You can take a company or an organization also. The company is a good performer this year. What do you mean by that? That means it is giving more profits. It is giving us good profits. So the company is a good performer this year. It is a better performer than last year. Than it was last year. Last year it was performing, of course, but its performance is better this year. We want to talk that increased performance. The company is a good performer this year. The company is a better performer this year. Coming to another extension, that is performance. Performance means the quality of exhibiting or presenting. Here we are using this word performance in this example. Deepa's performance in this project is brilliant. Her exhibiting her talent, her skill, performance, she has done well in this project. That's brilliant. Her performance is brilliant. The performance of the players is so well. The performance of the doctor is wonderful in his profession. So here performance means the skill that is exhibited. Now performative. This is less used, in fact, in our daily English, but you please focus on this also. Make it your own in your daily English. Performative. Performative means related to artistic performance. For example, we are taking usage. Dancing is a performative art. Dancing is a performative art. What do you mean by performative here? It means it could be exhibited. It could be presented. Not everything can be presented. Singing can be presented. Singing is also a performative art. Dancing is also a performative art. Something the audience could see, could watch. Audience could watch the dance. Audience could watch the singing. So, singing is a performative art. Dancing is also a performative art. So, my dear students, we have dealt with the extensions also of the root verb perform. Perform, performed, performed. These are the three forms, and generating from that we have discussed performing, performer, and performance, and performative. All of you, please use all these words in your daily spoken English and written English and have success. Best of luck. I request you all once again to please subscribe my channel and give your valuable comments, and please give your model sentences, your own sentences in the comment section, and please share this video session to others also. Thank you very much.